Okay, today we're going to talk about AppConfig. So, what is AppConfig and what does it do? For the purpose of the exam, you don't really need to know too much about the details of how to use it, but it is important to know what it's for and when you might use it. So, imagine the following scenario. You've got an e-commerce website, say Amazon for example. They do use this tool internally, and you want to launch a new feature. You want to launch the feature product reviews. What AppConfig allows you to do is to implement that feature and then roll it out, either managed purely by a product manager. So rather than a technical person enabling it via the code, you can enable it via a web UI. And you can also roll it out gradually to partial numbers of users rather than your entire user base. So you could give it to say 20% of people, see how it performs. If it performs well, roll it out to everyone else. It has integration with CloudWatch alarms and metrics, and that means you can use it to, for example, automatically roll back new features that have problems. So if error rates are suddenly elevated after a feature has been enabled, you can have AppConfig automatically roll that feature back and disable it again. Here's a nice summary for you. Until next time, enjoy the cloud.